what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Gab, and this is day 2 of building the 350Z. So basically today I'm only driving around picking up some stuff I need, like paint. I just picked up the airlines, and other than that I have a whole list of stuff I need to pick up. So I will bring you guys along. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just walked out from Sherwin-Williams. We picked up the paint. Bang, bang. We're not letting you guys know what color paint we got, and I'm hoping we can reveal the paint color on day 5. It's gonna be a long process and we got a lot to do, so now I'm gonna probably head to Princess Auto. I need some rivets. I need a couple other I need a couple other things. So let's get our day going. Alright guys, so we just came back from Princess Auto. I picked up a rivet gun and some rivets. I don't remember if I had a rivet gun before, so it was like 15 bucks. I just bought it. But yeah, I couldn't find any rubbers to go around the rivets, so I'm gonna head to Canadian Tire and see what we can find. It's a freaking warm day out, so I'm sweating nuts, and yeah. Alright guys, so we are back home. I'm currently sanding more of the car, prepping it for paint and stuff. So yesterday, little recap, we got the wheels off, we got the bag system lines off, we got the rear bumper off. Then today, I'll show you guys what I went and picked up. Well, I installed my tires today, and I picked up some clear coat, some paint, some rivets for the body kit. I think that's it. Oh no, some lines for the bags, and that's pretty much it for now. Now I'm gonna focus on sanding and prepping the car for paint, and then after that we are going to install the new lines so it doesn't leak anymore and put the wheels back on. So let's hope everything goes well, and let's keep going. Holy crap, what a night. We got the headlights out, the bags are fixed, we took off both front fenders, we sanded 70% of the car. Holy crap, tires are on, installed, and basically we're just killing it, man. We have 10 days to do this. We're 2 days down. This was the second day. We have our third day tomorrow, but unfortunately it's going to be raining, so we're going to push the car under the carport and hope for the best. Hope it doesn't rain too much and we get to work on the car. I think that's it for tonight. We're exhausted. I'm exhausted, and we're going to go to bed. We haven't even eaten yet, so
what time is it?
We will. What time is it?
10:13.
10:13. So we will see you guys in day 3 of the rebuild of the 350Z. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.